guys, so another itinerary na is in Manila Cathedral, and with me is my teacher.
Hello. Okay.
And my dad who organized this
dito po tayo.
tour. So for today's video guys, we're going to go to Intramuros guys, walking tour. But our assembly here, but our assembly is here in Manila Cathedral, as you can see.
Okay, wait lang po tayo. O, habang wala.
These are the views in Manila Cathedral. Malapit na lang.
Pwede ba yung patato sa
Class A, or two kingdoms po natin. So we have the Raja Matanda and Raja Sulaiman. So the Raja Sulaiman Palace will be at the back of this building, and then Raja Matanda will be in this area po. And then the other Raja naman po, or governor natin before, is what we call the Lakandula. Okay, so the other side of the river naman po siya.
Other side of the river guys.
Maynila po natin. So you're now here in the original Manila of Manila. Okay, and then the outside of Manila will be the extension of Manila po natin. So this one is what we call the premiere and the first or the blueprint of all plazas in the Philippines. So I know in your province,
kabaw na yun, sabi mo to.
Plaza Independencia. Very good. So ang unang plaza po natin, or the main plaza po natin, is the Plaza Mayor. We call it the main plaza, and then it became the Plaza Roma. If you're wondering why it's called Plaza Roma, because of Cardinal Rosales, because he graduated doon sa Rome, kaya siya pinangalan. He is our first cardinal na Filipino. Kasi most of our cardinals are Spanish or American po natin. He became our first Filipino cardinal po natin. Now, all the plazas here Plaza Mayor has three main buildings po natin. So this one to your right side will be the Palacio de Gobernador. That is the palace of our head of state natin during the Spanish era. So dati wala tayong presidente. Ang presidente po natin ay ang Gobernador General.
Dito pala yun pala.
She's so pretty.
Ah!
Look at that. It's so amazing. I love it.
So guys, this is the San Agustin Church here in Intramuros.
Bus B.
That's our guide.
Oh my.
Sabi to, cancel.
JR. Turn right, JR.
Okay. I'm tired of walking guys. Yeah, but it's okay. For the betterment of my future. Still in Intramuros guys. Gold City.
Tapos yung nakaupo sa harap, pumila sa loyo. Ano yung loyo?
Likod!
Understood? Yes, sir.
Hello guys, we're now here at the Pocada, Manila guys, and I was shocked guys because the hotel is very big guys. Yeah. So my classmates again, we're tired. Say hi mo eh. Hi mo eh. They're tired guys. Hi sir.
Hello. My expectations again?
Yun na sir. Are you tired or not?
Okay. Not quite, yes.
Not tired. fountain show.
Yeah, after
Then after sa
get to
after,
dinner place, we'll get to the fountain show.
yeah,
We can enjoy
yeah.
because it's so rare we get to visit here.
Visit and experience. What do you call this? Very expensive and pricey hotel. Right, sir? Yeah. At this moment, guys, I'm going to now check into our hotel, and the person is with me is Nico. Is our beloved chairman. Wow. But she's busy right now, so I'll be back later. Okay. Okay, guys. So our chairman is now, free. This is our beloved professor, Dr. Roel Aroma. Living in the bus. And our my classmates. Bye-bye! And with me is our beloved chairman.